Hello children, welcome back to mathematics class. Today we are going to do place values in 3-digit numbers, and I am your maths teacher Priyanka Best. Now children, let me tell you the meaning of place value. Children, place value is the value of the digit according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundreds, etc. It means the position of a digit in a number gives it a place value. Children, the position of a digit in a number gives it a place value. Now children, let us understand this with the help of some examples. Let us take the first example. Uh, Look at the number children, 275. So children, first we write the number in place value chart. So we write 2 in hundreds column, 7 in tens column, and 5 in ones column. Now children, look at the place value of these digits. Children, 2 is at hundreds place, so it means there are 2 hundreds. So the place value of 2 is 200. Now children, 7 is at tens place, so it means there are 7 tens. So the place value of 7 is 70. Now children, 5 is at ones place, it means there are 5 ones. So the place value of 5 is 5. Now children, let us take one more example. Look at the number children, 906. Now children, we write the numbers in place value chart. So children, we write 9 at hundreds place, 0 at tens place, and 6 at ones place. Now children, look at their place values. Children, you will see that 9 is at hundreds place. So it means there are 9 hundreds. So children, the place value of 9 is 900. Now children, 0 is at tens place. And children, the place value of 0 is always 0. So here you will write 0. Now children, you will see that 6 is at ones place. So it means there are 6 ones. So the place value of 6 is 6. Children, remember this thing. The place value of 0 is always 0. Now children, let's do some questions given on page number 35 of your maths book. Question 1. Fill in. In this question children, some numbers are given and you have to find out the place value. So look at the first part. A, the number is 308. So first you have to find out the place value of digit 3. Children, you will see that 3 is at hundreds place. So the place value of 3 is 300. Now the next digit is 0. Children, as I told you, the place value of 0 is always 0. Now the next digit is 8, children. So in number 8 is at ones place. So its place value is 8. Next part, B, 123. Now you have to find out the place value of digit 1. Children, in 123, 1 is at hundreds place. So its place value is 100. Now children, next digit is 2. In 123, digit 2 is at tens place. So children, its place value is 20. Now children, the next digit is 3. In number 123, 3 is at ones place. So its place value is 3. Look at the next part, children. The number is 749. Children, here the first digit is 9. So in 749, digit 9 is at ones place. So its place value is 9. Now children, next digit is 4 and its place value is 40. Now the next digit is 7. So children, in 749, 7 is at hundreds place. So its place value is 700. Look at the next part, D. The number is 520. Children, here first you have to find out the place value of digit 2. So in 520, digit 2 is at tens place. So its place value is 20. Now the next digit is 5. 5 is at hundreds place. So its place value is 500. The next digit is 0. So children, you know that the place value of 0 is always 0. Now next part, children, E. The number is 643. So in 643, you have to find out the place value of 6. Children, 6 is at hundreds place. So its place value is 600. Now the next digit is 4. 4 is at tens place, children. So its place value is 40. Now the next digit is 3. 3 is at ones place. So its place value is 3. Now children, F part. The number is 957. First digit is 9. Children, 9 is at hundreds place. So its place value is 900. Now the next digit is 7. So in 957, 7 is at ones place. So its place value is 7. Now the next digit is 5. it is at tens place. So its place value is 50. Now children, G part. The number is 839. So the first digit is 9. 9 is at ones place. So its place value is 9. Now the next digit is 3. In 839, 3 is at tens place. So its place value is 30. Now the next digit is 8. In 839, 8 is at hundreds place. So its place value is 800. Now H part, the number is 256. Children, first you have to find out the place value of digit 2, as digit 2 is at hundreds place. So its place value is 200. Now children, the next digit is 5. So its place value is 50. Now children, the next digit is 6 and it is at ones place. So its place value is 6. Now children, look at the next part. I, the number is 403. The first digit is 3. Children, 3 is at ones place. So its place value is 3. Now the next digit is 4. In 403, 4 is at hundreds place. So its place value is 400. Now children, the next digit is 0. And you know that the place value of 0 is always 0. Now children, your homework is do question 2 given on page number 35 and page 36 in your maths book. Thank you.